Work breakdown structure. Plumbing. Section 3. The plumbing system is critical for the health and sanitation of the users of the building. It is important that it is properly designed to assure that the system can properly convey fluids throughout the structure. The work schedule for the plumbing system for this 2-story residential and 4-unit commercial building is divided into 2 main systems: the water line, and sanitary. For Section 3.1, Water Line, the workload is subdivided into 3. Layout of pipings and fixtures, installation of plumbing fixtures, and pressure test. Layout of pipings and fixtures is usually handled and designed by the architect and/or engineer. Installation of plumbing fixtures. The materials and labor is detailed in this work breakdown structure. Materials for water line system. Each item. 3.1.2.1.1 Water closet flush type. 3.1.2.1.2 Concrete countersink type with lever type faucet, complete with accessories. 3.1.2.1.3 Urinal with complete accessories. 3.1.2.1.4 Lavatory, pedestal type with accessories. 3.1.2.1.5 Faucet, hose bib, brass 1/2 inch. 3.1.2.1.6 Water closet flange. 3.1.2.1.7 Tissue holder. 3.1.2.1.8 PPR pipe 3/4 inch diameter. 3.1.2.1.9 PPR coupling 3/4 inch. 3.1.2.1.10 PPR elbow, 90 degrees by 3/4 inch diameter. 3.1.2.1.11 PPR coupling reducer, 1/2 by 3/4. 3.1.2.1.12 PPR pipe, 1/2 inch diameter. 3.1.2.1.13 PPR elbow, 90 degrees by 3 1/2 inch diameter. 3.1.2.1.14 PPR coupling 1/2 inch. 3.1.2.1.15 PPR T, 1/2 inch. 3.1.2.1.16 PPR adapter female thread, 1/2 inch. 3.1.2.1.17 Gate valve, 3/4 inch. 3.1.2.1.18 Gate valve, 1/2 inch. 3.1.2.1.19 Floor drain, 4x4. 3.1.2.1.21 Mirror. The labor is classified into foremen, skilled laborers, and unskilled laborers. Three 3.1.2.1 Foreman. 3.1.2.2.2 Skilled laborer. 3.1.2.2.3 Unskilled laborers. Pressure testing. Plumbing is mandatory for inspection by city officials. This is to make sure all the pipes are in working order. This is done once the walls are up, with the paint and tiles installed. For Section 3.2, Sanitary, the materials and labor is broken down. Section 3.2.1 Materials 3.2.1.1 PVC-Y 4x4 3.2.1.2 PVC pipe 3 inches 3.2.1.3 Catch basin 3.2.1.4 PVC elbow 1/4 by 2 inches. Section 3.2.5 PVC T 4x4 3.2.1.6 PVC elbow 1/4 by 3 inches. 3.2.1.7 3-chamber septic vault 3.2.1.8 PVC pipe 2 3.2.1.9 PVC-Y 4x2 3.2.1.10 PVC-Y 2x3 3.2.1.11 PVC pipe 4 inches 3.2.1.12 PVC-Y 2x2 3.2.1.13 PVC-Y clean out brass 6x6 3.2.1.14 PVC elbow 1/8 by 2 inches 3.2.1.15 PVC elbow 1/8 by 4 3.2.1.16 PVC T 2x2 3.1.2.1.17 Gate valve 3/4 inch 3.2.1.18 PVC solvent cement 3.2.1.19 PVC elbow 1/4 by 4 inches 3.2.1.20 PVC P-trap 2 inches. The labor is classified into foremen, skilled laborers, and unskilled laborers. 3.2.2.1 Foreman 3.2.2.2 Skilled laborer 3.2.2.3 Unskilled laborer